Hey there, fellow AI adventurers. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of AI sorcery? Buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into the captivating realm of prompt engineering. Yep, you heard it right. We're about to unravel the magic behind making AI models dance to your tune, newbie or not. This is your golden ticket to AI awesomeness. So hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and let's rock and roll. Segment 1. Setting the stage. Imagine you're the wizard and AI models are your magical companions. Prompt engineering is like casting spells with words. You give them an instruction, and they conjure up wonders. It's all about crafting the perfect recipe to brew some AI goodness. Segment 2. Flashback to now. Prompt engineering evolution. Fasten your seatbelts, because prompt engineering has had a makeover. It's gone from just okay to mind-blowing in 2023. We're talking about turning a bland conversation with AI into a dynamic duet that leaves everyone applauding. Segment 3. Unleashing your inner prompt whisperer. The zero-shot marvels and few-shot feats. Zero-shot learning, the AI version of mind reading. Ask your AI model to do something it hasn't learned, and bam, it delivers. And few-shot learning, well, it's like teaching your AI buddy a new trick with just a handful of examples. Who knew AI could be such a quick learner? E-power moves, demonstrations, and comparisons. Host, want your AI pal to sound like Shakespeare or code like a wizard? Show it what you mean with demonstrations. And if you want AI to tell the difference between chocolate cake and chocolate lake, comparisons are the way to go. See Tag Team, Humans and AI Unite. Host, say hello to the ultimate dynamic duo, you and your AI sidekick. Team up to create the perfect masterpiece. You start the dance, and the AI adds the fireworks. It's like creating art, but with a dash of futuristic flair. Segment 4. Tailoring AI magic to your needs. Get ready to wield the power of customization. Whether you're writing a gripping story or coding a masterpiece, your prompts are the magic wand. Be specific, be creative, and voila, AI enchantment at your fingertips. Segment 5. Ethical enchantments and bias be gone. Hold your horses, enchanters. As we journey deeper into AI wonderland, remember, with great magic comes great responsibility. Keep those spells bias-free and fair. Let's sprinkle inclusivity and ethics into every potion we brew. Segment 6. Toolbox of Titans. Time to suit up with the coolest tools and resources. OpenAI's got your back, and online communities are your spell-crafting guilds. Don't just watch, dive in and create AI marvels that will leave everyone spellbound. Now you're armed with the wisdom to rock the AI world with prompt engineering in 2023. From newbie to AI sorcerer, you've got the know-how to make AI dance, sing, and code at your command. If you're as excited as I am, hit that like button, subscribe for more enchanting content, and remember, you're now part of the AI Magic Guild. Keep enchanting, my friends. Hold on to your magic hats. Remember, the AI universe is constantly expanding, and our knowledge is up to 2023. Stay curious and keep exploring the newest enchantments and spells in the world of AI.